we got another pallet. A couple of weeks ago we had a huge pallet delivered from Durston, and now we've got another pallet.
That's broke that one pallet. It looks like it's been in the warehouse for a while. Look, it's right there, right? There you go.
Absolutely stinking dirty. And what is it? Looks like a rolling mill and 3 sets of bench lights. We've got another rolling mill, no idea why. 3 lights for our benches. It must be a couple of months since I went to Birmingham last. I used to do some sort of consultancy work for Sutton Tools and Betts Metals. That has now stopped, so I don't tend to go to Birmingham that often nowadays. I do a bit of work now for Durston Rolling Mills, Matthew Durston, and the products that he's coming out with, so I sort of help with the development of that, as well as everything else that I normally do. And it's been a long time since I've done one of these little chats in the car whilst going to Birmingham, but I got a few things I need to sort out today. It's literally to Birmingham, quick shop, come back. It's as simple as that. It's no hanging around. I've got filming to do later on this afternoon, and so I'm not gonna hang around. Well, I set off just about 6:30 this morning. Yes, it is a Wednesday. So I'm hoping to get to Birmingham just around about 9 o'clock, and I should be back hopefully then by about 12 o'clock then to get back into the shop to crack on with some filming and then some editing later on this afternoon. Some new merch. You may have seen this merchandise before. This is for sale as well. I'll put a link down below in the description so you can go and check that out, as well as the normal At The Bench tops. These are sold rather well. I've sold these basically to all around the world. It's available for national and international shipping. Delivery is about 4 to 5 days if you're in the UK, maybe a little bit longer depending on where you are in the rest of the world. But go and check these out, link in the description. There we go. Business all sorted out. Did a little bit of tool buying as well. Always like coming up. You always see different things that you see in the actual catalogues as well. Nice 2-hour drive home now. Bus driver has just taken part of his alloy away. And it's not as bad as what you think. He's part legally. Was there somebody on the other side of the road then? When it was there? No. Oh, he's crying. Oh, the bus driver's crying now. Why is the bus driver crying? Oh, bless him. Oh, the bus driver's crying. Oh, bless him. He doesn't need to cry. He's taken. There's plastic over the. There's plastic over the arch. He's just clipped a little bit of that, but he's scraped all the alloy he has, and the alloy is a chunk out of the side of the alloy. We have so many accidents on that particular bus stop. And it's usually because people are parked on the other side of the road, but I think at the time there was nobody there. It's just the bus driver was coming in a little bit too quick. Oh, bless him.
Throughout my life, I've realised I don't necessarily know the answer to all the questions I ask myself. Things like, why am I driven? What can I achieve? And things like, which direction is my life leading me?
But the desire to learn, to explore, and even to venture into the unknown, you have to be fearless. You have to go through these processes not even knowing what the outcome is. With sheer hard work, determination will show you the outcome you need to be able to move forward. I don't believe in boundaries or trying to stay within my comfort zone. I'm always looking for new ways to push those boundaries, to strengthen my spirit and determination. So, you may be asking, what drives me? A desire to learn and to discover what I'm capable of doing today, tomorrow, and in the future. And the other thought is that, do I have the potential to make a difference? To leave something that others can learn from, to like lay a foundation or a pathway for others to follow. But to enable yourself to grow, to gain and to experience, you must be prepared to fail. You must not get weary, you mustn't get down, but you must always live each day with passion and also enthusiasm as well. When opportunities come your way, don't ignore them, grasp them, embrace them. Don't embrace them for a financial gain. Embrace them for experience and a process to grow. So there are so many things happening to me on a daily and a weekly basis that often makes me stop and to think about, not necessarily to think about why me, why are they happening to me, but makes me stop and to realize that you should not take for granted your position and your place in this huge universe. So what I'm saying is that we all have a role to play for our place in this universe, and getting to that role certainly is not easy, but by getting there we really must learn to enjoy the process.